Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will know how to fix Supercell ID verification code not received in Brawl Stars. If you're experiencing trouble receiving the Supercell ID verification code in Brawl Stars, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile network can prevent the code from being sent or received properly. Next, verify that the email address linked to your Supercell ID is accurate. Even a small mistake in the email address could cause the code to be sent to the wrong inbox. Also, check your spam or junk folders as the verification email might have been mistakenly flagged by your email provider. If you still haven't received the code after a few minutes, try resending it by clicking the resend button on the verification screen. Double check that you have entered the correct email address, as errors can prevent the code from reaching you. Additionally, ensure your email account is working properly and able to receive messages. A full inbox or server issues could interfere with the delivery. If the issue persists, try restarting Brawl Stars and make sure the game is updated to the latest version, as outdated software can cause glitches that affect the verification process. Sometimes, server issues on Supercell's side can cause delays in the verification process. Check Supercell's official social media accounts or forums for updates on server status. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Supercell support through the help and support section in the game. Provide details about your problem and they will assist you further. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!